Hello guys, this your boy is back here, and in today's video I'm going to take you on a journey with me as to how I built a small account 500 euros to 2000 euros. So I made 300% of the invested capital, let's say in the space of 4-5 months. Yeah, 4-5 months. And during this 4-5 months, I've learned a lot. And someone will be saying, oh, but that is not much. That's a lot, because bro, man, listen, you have your money sitting in the banks, and the banks are not paying you anything for that money if it is not invested. One, if it is invested. Secondly, at the end of the year, not even do they, most of the banks, not even do they promise you 5% of the invested capital, neither do we have to talk about 10%. All right. And I'm talking to you about 300% of the invested capital. And all this time I was just risking 10%. All right. I was risking 10%, which in trading, it's quite a lot. But because it was a smaller account, I was comfortable with the risk that came with it. That I don't have any problem losing the money. Do you understand me? Yeah. So you guys will see that in certain period in the market, you know, it was quite difficult. So I even lost a lot of the profit that I made, and I went through some psychological issues. Not that I was whining, all right? Not that I was going mad, but I had some situations that I had to deal with, and it wasn't really sitting well with me. So it kind of like affected the way I was trading. And in that same week, market condition was so really bad. So I lost count and I lost a lot of money. Do you understand me? To the point that I came back to square zero. As a matter of fact, I was even in negative. I grew the money to 1,100 and I lost all the 1,100, and it came back to 400 euros. And I had to grow it all the way from 400 euros to where we are right now. Okay. So guys, take it as a form of encouragement and know that whatever capital that you are starting with, first of all, it doesn't have to be the money that you are using to go and pay your children's school fees. It doesn't have to be the money that you are going to use to pay your bills. If not, you will put pressure on the trading and you cannot do things properly. All right. Money don't want noise. So guys, let me take you to my dashboard and show you everything. All right. Then I will take you to my broker so that the doubters too will know that, oh yes, it's real money and it's not funded account. All right. So this is my Prof Firm account with FTMO. Second phase passed. All right. I passed it like last week, but I forgot that I had to trade 4 days. I passed it in 1 day because my strategy gives me way to scale in more position. That day that they gave me the account and I set it up, I wasn't expecting to pass it in that same day, but God being so good, the market gave me the right conditions for me to scale in. So I scale in and I passed it in just one setup of my strategy. And I was sitting there, I was like, okay, I've passed it in day one, so I have to let 3 days pass away so that they will give me the funded account. So I was sitting there, and I realized that every time I would go on the platform, it was showing me day one. Then I realized that, oh God, I need to really take trades a minimum of 4 days. But anyway, this is the account. All right, so let's go to history. So I've made a withdrawal of 1,040. Okay. This is the total amount of money that has been deposited, and through the thick and thins, I'm still in negative on the account. All right. Now, this amount of money here, if I make a little bit of money and add it to it, then I'll be able to recover this amount of money here. I mean, come on, think of it, guys. If I've been able to trade the account from 500 to all the way to 2,000, then how much will it take me for me to recover this amount of money? Do you understand me? Guys, it's very, very important that you trust your strategy. Okay. Have a good strategy, trust that strategy, and guys, you'll be good to go. I want you to notice one thing. I've been trading one pair. All right. First lesson here is, guys, you don't need to be trading millions of pairs. If your strategy requires for that, good. But my point is, even one pair can give you all the money in the world that you want. There are good professional traders that trade only one pair. All right. So you don't have to be trading millions of pair and expecting that, oh, the more pair I trade, the more money I make. It is true to a certain extent, but it can also be destructive. So you better understand what you're doing. All right. The second thing I want you to notice is, guys, it is blue and reds. Blue and reds. It's not only blue. You can see reds in between, but we're still profitable regardless the reds. So what do I want to tell you guys? That guys, in trading, if you are not losing, then you are not there, because in trading, it's normal to lose. It's like water and wet. You can't take wet out of the water. You can't take losing out of the trading as a whole. professionals do lose, but the ability to scale in when market is going in your favor. Do you understand me? That is one of the advantage that my strategy has. It teaches me the exact moment to scale in every now and then when markets comes back in my favor and it shows up and tells me that this is the time to scale in, then I scale in. You understand me? So that is what gives me an edge over the market, that regardless the red times, I'm still on top. All right. So this is where I founded 500 euros. All right. It all started from there. And as you guys can see, after I founded the 500 euros, I've not make any withdrawal. You see, 0 withdrawals. And here we are. Do you understand me? So now what is my goal? My goal is first of all to withdraw my 500 initial capital. All right. I will withdraw that money and I will use it for what I have to use it for. All right. Now, when I withdraw it, now I'll be having like, let's say 1,500 more or less with my broker. And this 1,500 is money that the market gave me. It's not my money. And the tendency for me to blow all that money is very low, because guys, think of it. If I was able to scale 500 without blowing the 500, trading properly, risking properly, and if I took that 500 all the way to 2,000 without blowing my 500, guys, come on. Do you think I'm going to blow 1,500? Nah. I'm not saying I won't take loss. No, there will be loss. It's normal. You guys saw it, right? But I'm saying that what I've acquired that is in me, the skills, is greater. Okay, so here we are on my broker IC market, and live account. Here is the account. All right, and here is it. We are in 2014, guys. All right, so guys, that is that, and I hope you did enjoy this video. Any now and then I'll be bringing you updates. All right, this is not to prove anything to anyone. This is me doing my thing, but I decided to share it with you because I realized that, one, just for transparency purposes, two, just so that people will know that when you have the trading skills, yes, you can have down times, but you can also come up and make more money than your loss. And three, for you guys to know that if I am able to do it, then guys, you too can do it. I hope you did enjoy this video. I go by the name Zach, and guys, make sure you do subscribe to the channel so that when I come up with valuable content like this, you'll be part of it to watch it and be blessed. Okay, guys, if you did enjoy it too, make sure you hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.